Okay, South versus Bollywood. Tell me क्या difference है?
The difference I have particularly noticed is South की फिल्में ज़्यादातर अपने जोग्राफिकल एरिया के बारे में और जो वहाँ पहले हुआ है, जो हो रहा है, जो हो सकता है, उस टाइप के स्टोरीज के बारे में फिल्में बनाते हैं.
आसपास जो हो रहा है उसके बारे में.
हाँ, they are always, I feel like their content, I think right now is translating globally primarily because they are choosing to tell rooted stories. And also their strategy, they don't work from the standpoint of choosing, they're not trying, their audience is not certain segment in a certain segment of people. They go for basic human emotions like माँ बाप का प्यार, माँ बाप का रिवेंज, भाई का रिवेंज, बहन का रिवेंज, बेटे का रिवेंज, और stories that are basic human emotions. So they tend to tell many more stories about basic human emotions through different storytelling formats. And they are also concerned about, they are very much concerned about putting their perspective the way it is. They're not trying to service different kinds of people. They're trying to only tell what they feel fully. And I feel like that has really worked, I think, for the South. And I feel like that's why so many of their films are translating, regardless of it sometimes not being dubbed in different languages. Sometimes people are still watching Tamil and Telugu films even if they are not dubbed. I know so many people who comment and हमने film Telugu में ही देखी है, हमने film Tamil में ही देखी. Because it still kind of communicates. उसका emotional level इतना strong होता है ना कि आपको वो महसूस नहीं होता कि अरे ये भाषा इसने बोला क्या मुझे समझ में नहीं, क्योंकि उसके बोलने से आपको मतलब नहीं है. आप जो देख रहे हो आपको वैसे ही इतना फील करा रहा है कि आपको you're not concerned about the smaller the specifics. Versus I feel like Hindi has always created, I mean I have been inspired by Hindi cinema, and that's why I became an actor. But I feel like sometimes when you try to create work which is for everybody's consumption, I feel उसमें थोड़ी खिचड़ी पक जाती है. So, and the films, if you notice, which are doing well or have done well and have had a profound impact, they have been about human emotions. It's not been about specific segments of the audience.
जैसे recent time example दो.
Recent time example would be Lapata Ladies. I don't know if it did well on the box office though, but I think it's something that's really spoken about because I feel like it's an amazing movie. I loved it a lot. If you talk about commercial successes, I think Stree, it's literally like
right now it's like making.
I love it how I have had the good fortune of being in from KGF to Bahubali to Stree to Jailer. I don't know how this happens, but it's great. I'm not complaining. But yeah, Stree, like I think they're saying what they've done very intelligently is, and I love Amar's work for that, is he's saying a larger thing about women and how women should be looked at and perceived in a horror comedy. So he's taking a superbly commercially viable genre but saying something very profound with it. And I believe to say anything profound, आपको उसे बहुत ही interesting way में communicate करना पड़ता है, वरना कोई भी profound चीज़ अगर आप profound तरीके से बोलने की कोशिश करो तो वो तो पूरी तरह से नीचे जाती है.
Very difficult genre which I don't know how Stree has been able to crack. क्योंकि horror comedy मुझे नहीं लगता इंडिया में भूल भुलैया के अलावा कोई ज़्यादा बड़ी success थी.
I had a film release in January called Aranmanai. It's a Tamil language film. It made 100 crores. It's just a Tamil language film. It was never dubbed in any other language. It was female led. It was me and Rashi. And it was fully like, the glory was fully ours because actually not many female led films in the South make 100 crores. It's not every day that happens. You've seen men's films making maybe maybe doing better business. But in the South, you can count the number of films which are female led and made 100 crores. And I had it just this year. And it was a horror comedy. So the genre is actually, see, that's what I'm saying. In India, the moment you make stories which are about what हर इंडिया के हर गली और हर विलेज में अगर आपको वो बात समझ में आ सकती है तो वो स्टोरी कनेक्ट होगी. लिव इन अ लापता लेडीज कनेक्ट्स टू एवरी अर्बन ऑडियंस, बट वो स्टोरी तो विलेज की है ना. लेकिन हम अर्बन लोग कनेक्ट करते हैं क्योंकि वो उन लोगों के बारे में नहीं है, वो उनकी इमोशंस के बारे में है.
Yeah.
So the moment the stories are about emotions,
it works.
अगर ऐसे और भी बहुत इंसाइटफुल शॉर्ट्स और क्लिप्स देखनी है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो.